India's Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister Hardeep Singh Puri said that Urja Varta 2025 plays a key role in accelerating India's exploration and production sector. Urja Varta aims to become a critical platform for shaping the future of India's energy landscape and reinforcing country's commitment to sustainability and innovation in energy domain. The minister highlighted that he expects the new round of hydrocarbon exploration being launched in India to strike several big Guyana-sized oil fields.
We opened up, out of our 3.5 million square kilometers of sedimentary space, we've opened up 1 million square kilometers. In the 10th round of Open Acreage Licensing Policy, or OALP, we are offering 257,000 square kilometers of bid. This is the largest ever. I don't know, there may have been some earlier, but from what I read in the statistics, probably the largest ever bid. When we did the 9th round of OALP, 38% of bids came in this 1 million square kilometers which was opened out, no-go area.
And while commenting on US President Donald Trump's secondary tariff threat against India, Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri said that India diversified its sources of buying oil and is not facing pressure over Trump's new threat. He was speaking at Urja Varta in New Delhi.
India has diversified the sources of supply, and we have gone, I think, from about 27 countries that we used to buy from to about 40 countries now. In the last 10-11 years, 16% of the growth in the energy markets, crude oil, has come from India. Yeah. And if you believe in the analysis of the International Energy Agency, a very credible analysis, that in the next 2 decades, 25% of the global growth is going to come from India. If more and more people were to buy from the other OPEC sources, you know what would have happened? Prices would have gone up minimum to $130, $140 a barrel.